take the Grand Slam today.
Hi Daymakers! Welcome to Whatdafunday. Today, we're at the AWCLA Bowling Tournament 2025. We're here to have fun, knock down some pins, and connect with friends from different ASEAN countries.
Grand Slam, baby, Grand Slam. Gonna take the Grand Slam today.
So what's AWCLA? It's a group that brings together women and families from ASEAN nations here in LA. They share culture, food, and traditions, and also raise funds to help good cause. The most important thing is to instill the value of playing fair in any aspect of life. Integrity is the best prize you will ever win. Plus, we're trying out the cool new features of back alley bowling.
Bart, don't stand there. Feel it. It's cool. I have Bart. Bart doesn't want to play. Look what he's doing.
You wanna throw your ball, Bart?
There's Daddy.
I'll help you. Nice shot.
Bart's first one is strike. Why not? Turn. Wait for your turn. Wait for your. Seven. I should stop pointing the camera this side. Oh, what is so? I gotta get it.
That they know. Bart's right there. Oh, okay.
Wait for your turn.
This tournament isn't just about bowling. It's about friendship, teamwork, and celebrating cultures together. Let's roll, have fun, and celebrate unity the AWCLA way. And remember, this is Whatdafunday, where smiles meet adventure.